July 2026 is bringing one of the busiest rounds of federal rule changes Canada has seen in recent years, with new laws, benefit increases, tax updates, travel rules, and compliance changes taking effect across the country. One of the biggest changes arrives on July 15th, when the Bail and Sentencing Reform Act comes into force. The law introduces more than 80 changes to the Criminal Code, the Youth Criminal Justice Act, and the National Defense Act. It creates stricter bail rules for repeat violent offending, organized crime, extortion, human trafficking, auto theft, and other serious cases. It also adds tougher sentencing measures, including new aggravating factors and mandatory consecutive sentences for certain offenses. Immigration consultant regulations also change on July 15th. The updated rules strengthen the College of Immigration and Citizenship Consultants, increase penalties, expand discipline powers, and introduce a compensation fund for people who suffered financial losses because of dishonest conduct by a licensed consultant. Several major benefit changes also begin in July. The Canada Groceries and Essentials benefit launches on July 3rd, replacing the GST and HST credit with enhanced quarterly payments. The Advanced Canada Workers Benefit pays on July 10th. The Canada Child Benefit increases with the new benefit year beginning on July 20th. The Canada Disability Benefit also rises for the July 2026 to June 2027 payment period, while old age security increases on July 29th with the new quarterly adjustment. Workers may also notice payroll changes. CRA's updated payroll deduction formulas take effect on July 1st, with the biggest impact expected in British Columbia and Prince Edward Island because of provincial tax changes. Some workers who already reached their Canada Pension Plan contribution maximum may also see deductions stop later in the year. Business owners face a new CRA access rule starting July 14th, when business registration online moves behind secure CRA account sign-in. New businesses will need CRA credentials, a sign-in partner, or an eligible provincial partner to register business numbers and program accounts online. The Combating Hate Act takes effect on July 18th, creating new criminal code offenses related to hate-motivated conduct, obstruction of access to places used by identifiable groups, and public display of certain hate or terrorism symbols. Other July changes include higher air carrier liability insurance requirements, new tobacco packaging rules for manufacturers, a toxic substances permit window, updated Canadian Forces housing differential rates, and continued Canada Strong Pass benefits for parks, museums, and VIA rail travel through the summer.